Hello dear students. In this video we are going to solve the question from the chapter Chemical Kinetics. Which arrow shows the activation energy of the uncatalyzed forward reaction for this equilibrium? So here equilibrium state of the reaction is shown by this equation, and here is the potential energy profile of the reaction. So firstly, we will discuss all the letters shown here one by one. Firstly, there is A. So this downward arrow A shows the enthalpy change of the reaction. That is delta H. So enthalpy change means the change in the enthalpy when the reaction occurs. Either the energy released per mole or the energy required by the reaction system per mole. So here the enthalpy change value is shown here. So this represents delta H, right? So next is B. So this arrow is from here to here. So if this is the reaction, means these are the reactants and these are the products. So reaction goes from these reactants to these products. So this is the reaction pathway. So this dotted line is below this line, and we know that catalyst provides alternate pathway for any reaction in which less energy is required for the reaction, which means catalyst reduces the activation energy, EA, activation energy. So here this dotted line shows the enthalpy decreases when this much amount of energy is required for this reaction when there is no catalyst. On the same position here, this dotted line shows the energy gap reduced to this much amount, this B line, this B arrow. So this is the activation energy. B shows the activation energy when there is catalyst present, or we can say catalyzed reaction, when reaction is catalyzed. So C is the activation energy when there is no catalyst, and B is the activation energy for the reaction when there is catalyst present. And this D represents this D from the products to the top of the dotted line, which means when the reaction goes in the reverse direction from products to reactants, and by this dotted line, this pathway, which means a reverse reaction, when catalyzed. So its activation energy is shown by this D symbol, right? So in the question, uncatalyzed forward reaction. Forward reaction means when reaction proceeds from these are reactants to product, from this to this. So here uncatalyzed means this is the uncatalyzed and this is the catalyzed. Uncatalyzed means this one, this C shows the uncatalyzed forward reaction. So answer will be C option. Okay, C option is right. I hope you will understand the solution of this question. If still you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.